Welcome to this sacred space of stillness and renewal. In the next 15 minutes, you will be guided through a transformational journey, one that invites you to gently realign your mind, body, and spirit. This energy reset experience is grounded in a powerful healing modality known as Cognitive Somatic Mapping, an approach that awakens inner awareness, calms the nervous system, and restores your connection to presence. Your guide today is Charles Robinson, LMHC, a seasoned mental health counselor, spiritual practitioner, and the creator of Cognitive Somatic Mapping. Charles has spent over 4 decades helping individuals move from emotional fragmentation to embodied wholeness. Now, with compassion and deep wisdom, he invites you into a moment of clarity, grace, and sacred remembering. So take a moment to pause, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and open your hands. Your journey inward begins now.
The teacher welcomes you to this sacred journey. The teacher welcomes you to this process of healing and transformation. This is your time. This is your time to heal, to come back into harmony and into balance. Stay open to the purity of the spirit, to the vibrancy as transformation begins to take place all around you, as waves of energy, waves of light begin to transform your mind, your body, into the pure relationship with the spirit of light, the pure spirit, breathing in as deep as you can, and then allow this radiant essence to awaken the inner resource, to awaken the inner constitution that begins to open that part of you that you've been waiting so patiently to unify, to come back into harmony with this pure aspect of who you are. I am with you in this moment, says the teacher. My heart is your heart. My mind is your mind. We are one mind and one heart. Waves of light, waves of love move around you, helping you to awaken into the truth of who you are, into the radiant being that came forth into this world. These sacred waters wash away all suffering and prepare you for unification with your soul. Your soul is the pure manifestation of the infinite nature of who we are. It's a manifestation of love and light and infinite possibility. Relaxing deeper and deeper as you surrender anything that's been holding you back, any fear, any worry, any doubt. Just let it go, says the teacher. The Master is with you. You've made it. You've made it to sanctuary. Now is a time to begin to go through transformation. To allow the waters of life to allow the wind, to allow the fire to wash away, to purify, and to integrate parts of your being that have been separated from the truth of who you are. This is your journey back into wholeness, your journey back into stillness, your journey back into peace. For you are where you need to be in each moment. Now is the perfect time, the perfect radiance, as all the teachers, all the masters come to celebrate with you, come to support you on the journey to liberation and freedom. Waves of pure energy surround you. In this place, says the teacher, there is only love. There's only kindness and compassion. Feel the radiance of this place all around you as these waters radiate the purity of truth. This radiance is so perfect. Waves of energy moving through every dimension of your being. Breathing in and breathing out. Relax your shoulders. Relax your heart right now, says the teacher. Relax deeper and deeper into this sacred place as we prepare to go into the temple. This is the temple where transformations take place, where beings become angels and transform into the truth of who they are. Messengers of the divine. Accept only kindness, says the teacher. Accept only kindness in this truth. Accept only kindness in this light. The teacher reminds us that we are where we need to be in each moment, and that each moment is a pure manifestation of our unlimited ability, our unlimited truth, going deeper and deeper into the now, deeper and deeper into the truth of who you are. Everything is starting to get clearer. The water, your mind, the light, all around you is manifesting absolute purity. You can breathe again. Energy is radiating throughout your entire body. Energy of light, energy of life, going up and down your spine, below your waist, and all the way down to the bottoms of your feet. This pure energy, this pure light, moving all around you. elevating your consciousness, liberating your spirit from suffering. Feel this beautiful radiance, this beautiful light, awakening the inner resource. Now let the angels lift you up from these waters. Allow them to begin the process of integration and transformation. Allow them to open the sacred gateways between the physical and the non-physical world. There is a new light, a different type of light that is emerging inside you. It's a new type of existence. It is the integration of all duality, of all opposites. It is the resolution. It is the truth. It's a place that we've all sought after. Breathe in and breathe out as you allow this purity to move through you. The Master, the Teacher, the Prophet, all these beautiful manifestations begin to minister, begins to reach out to your heart, to surrender, begin to let go. Turn these complications, these infinite realities, over to the pure spirit, for they cannot be understood. They can only be experienced. Open to the purity of this experience. As waves of light move around you, supporting you in this transformation, supporting in you in this integration, supporting you in this transformation into higher dimensions of mind and spirit. As you reach out beyond just the limitations of the mind and allow the purity of the spirit to awaken the truth of who you are. Breathe in and breathe out. We're in this place as the angels remove you from the waters, as they take you into the temple of forever. As you walk through the hallways, clean and clear, there's a place that's been prepared for you. A place where you can find meaning and purpose again. A place that will help you to awaken into your eternal truth. Breathe in and breathe out. This place is a place of eternal grace and liberation. This place we pray that all beings that all beings find liberation from suffering, that all beings find a way to integrate the inner world with the outer world, that all beings find peace. Forever loved and blessed on this sacred and beautiful journey. Breathe in